BittyBrush. Hi, let's draw an excavator. The excavator digs the ground with a huge bucket. Let's draw a window. Very good. A pipe. Let's draw an excavator track. Circle number 1. Circle number 2. Circle number 3. Circle number 4. Let's draw an excavator bucket. Great! And now let's color it. The color is red. Perfectly. Yellow color. Wonderful. Gray color. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. Red. The wheels are black. What a beautiful excavator it turned out to be!